Now let us derive Newton's third equation of motion. So while we are going to derive Newton's third equation of motion, I told you that the acceleration should be uniform acceleration, constant acceleration, right? So consider one object is moving with initial velocity u, and after t second its velocity is becoming v, right? Initial time is t, and time for calculation, the final time is t. Initial time is 0, final time is t, and the distance, the displacement is s. The displacement is s, then the acceleration is a. Okay, so after being familiar with all these terms, now let us move. You know that the acceleration, instantaneous acceleration, we can write dv upon dt, right? So instead of that, can I multiply with ds and divide with ds? Answer is yes. So after multiplying and dividing, so can I interchange? So the same thing I want to write here. Okay, let me write here dv upon dt. I can write dv by ds into ds upon dt. Can I write in this way? Right? Okay. So the dv upon ds, I write in the same thing here, but ds upon dt, you know it is your velocity, right? So after writing all these things, then can I write the same equation? So v dv into ads, yes, the same equation I can write in this form. Then we will go for integration. Okay, so this side we will integrate for velocity, and right hand side we will integrate for displacement, right? So when we integrate for velocity, you know, there are initial velocity was u, the limit is starting from u to v, and for displacement starting from 0 to s. Is it clear to all? Right? So then if I integrate, you know that, you know, here the power is 1. When we are integrating, the power is increased by 1 and divided by the same thing already. You know that the integration. And here in the case, since acceleration is the constant term, it is uniformly accelerated. So then we can write it a. Then for displacement, since it is the integration of displacement is s, so then we can write in this form. Next time, in the next form, so since the range is from v to u, can I write v square minus u square? Yeah, because it is the range starting from u to v. So then v square minus u square, which is equal to 2a 2 times a into s minus 0. Okay, then after final calculation, we find v square, which is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is Newton's third equation of motion, and I hope you got clear idea. And this is very easy. So then just have a look, and you can write your opinion. If you want more clarification, please write in the comment box so that we can discuss once again.